background natin. So, we are 2 o'clock now. It's supposed to be sa atin yun, right? Sa sounds natin. Cheers. So, opening prayer po muna tayo. So, paano po yung opening prayer natin? So, who's going to give me a signal that we're going to start the program? Si... Okay. So, ano sasabihin ni... Pero ang event po... ayos tayo ng